Hello student, I came in front of you with new video. Name of the video is fuel injection FI pump element working. FI pump, that means fuel injection pump, which is used in the diesel engine on the diesel vehicles. Fuel injection pump is operated by the engine camshaft, and fuel injection pump inside the camshaft, inside the FI pump, camshaft is given there. 4 cylinder, 2 cylinder, 1 cylinder, 6 cylinder, whatever may be. But working is a different according to the firing order. It works because of design is done on the camshaft lobe. Just you see here, what is a FI pump? Fuel injection pump element, that means which units are used, main components are used in the fuel injection pump for the delivering to the engine diesel fuel. Just you see here, there are 5 figures. How it works? We should know. This is the middle one point is plunger. Outside, this outside body is the barrel. Plunger and barrel is the most important. Place should not be there. Only it comes and down, slides only. Suppose between two parts play excess, then delivered fuel will not be produced and not pressurized there. Just you see here, this is a barrel and this one middle one is the plunger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures are shown here. Why all figures are just like looking same, but element position is different. Barrel is fixed in the pump. Plunger moves up and down and to and fro. Up and down and to and fro. Up and down, that means what? Up and down, that means plunger moves up, comes down, up, down, and it gives drives. How it becomes up and down? By the camshaft lobe. Camshaft lobe operates to the plunger. When it comes up, it is operated by the cam lobe, and it comes down by the spring, return spring. I am not shown here return spring. Okay. So as well as it rotates, moves just like to and fro. So to and fro movement, up and down movement delivers the fuel according to the engine speed. Depend upon the plunger position. So I am giving some ideas how it works. Just you see here, this one portion is the inlet port. This is the inlet port. Barrel have one hole, and through this barrel, this portion is in this gallery. Barrel, this port, inlet port is in gallery. So in this gallery, when diesel comes there, by the force of the feed pump through the fuel filter, diesel comes here, gallery. So what happens when plunger position is a down position? In first figure I have shown here, plunger comes down with the return spring. At that time fuel enters into the barrel, but position of the plunger is a down, so enters the diesel fuel in the barrel. This is in first figure. In second figure what happens? In second figure, plunger goes up with the help of cam lobe. Plunger goes up, inlet port closes, and whatever will be fuel here, diesel fuel, starts to inject. In third figure shown here, so plunger comes up to TDC, top dead center. Below the top it will come up to top and track to the diesel with the help of by the pressure is delivered. Above the barrel there is a delivery valve. So through the delivery valve opens and fuel is by pressurized, it goes up. Okay, this is in C position. At that time plungers, here is a helix groove. Helix groove's position is different. So when helix groove will come in front of this hole, so pressure is decreased, pressure drops. So in this figure D, what happened when after completing the delivery, that time plunger helix groove comes in front of the start to come in front of this hole. That means pressure decreases, and here totally helix groove came in front of the hole. That's why pressure totally dropped, no delivery. Okay, again starts A, plunger comes already, plunger after completing the delivery, plunger comes down, then starts, plunger goes up. So through the inlet port diesel entered into this barrel, plunger comes up, start to delivery to injector. Here this closes the inlet port. Whatever we previously entered the diesel fuel, that is pressed, that is compressed, and that time what happens, start to delivery through the delivery valve to the injectors. And this in this C figure, so third one figure is shown here, end of injection, plunger came up to last point, okay, top, and injection finished. In D point में what happens in the D figure and fourth one figure, end of injection, power low. Okay, and this figure, so stop position, slot, that means helix groove comes in front of the inlet port, and so what happens, so this is a spill port, so whatever diesel will not be delivered. Okay, so this type of the pump or elements works. So important thing here, plunger operated by the cam, and up and down movement is done by the camshaft lobe, and to and fro is done by the control rod. A control rod is operated by the driver, not directly. There is the connections through the governor, mechanical governor, pneumatic governor, whatever it may be. There are two types of the governor, through the governor, and with the help of the governor, control rod is connected to the pedal, accelerator pedal, when driver operates the pedal, so movement of the plunger is done there, and through the movement of the plunger is delivered the diesel to the engine, and when maximum after completing the delivery, what happens, then helix screw is given there, that is the main point. Helix screw comes in front of the inlet port and then pressure drops, again plunger comes down. So to give the delivery, to deliver the diesel fuel to the injector, and this mechanism is done here. This is a plunger and barrel works in a FI pump, and that is the most important. If you understood properly, then you like, then you share and subscribe. Okay, if you have any doubt, comment there in video, below the video. Okay, thank you very much.